Hello, guys. Hope you are doing well. Our lesson today is about how to teach your child to read. إزاي تعلم ابنك إن هو يقرأ من البداية ومن الصفر. So, as a start, you have to teach him or her the sounds of letters. يعني إيه sounds of letters؟ يعني معناها أصوات الحروف. لازم عشان نعلم أولادنا إزاي يقروا صح بالشكل المطلوب لازم يبتدوا صح. ايه هي البداية ده اللي احنا نعرفه النهاردة في الفيديو. So if you want to know, just keep watching.
Sound of letter A, ah. Is for apple, apple. B, b. B is for ball, ball. Sound of letter C, C is for cat, cat. Sound of letter D, d. D is for dog, dog. Sound of letter E, eh. E is for elephant, elephant. Sound of letter F, F is for fish, fish. Sound of letter G, g. G is for girl, girl. Sound of letter H, H is for hat, hat. Sound of letter I, I is for igloo, igloo. Sound of letter J, j. J is for juice, juice. Sound of letter K, K is for kite, kite. Sound of letter L, L is for line, line. Sound of letter M, M is for monkey, Sound of letter N, N is for nose, Sound of letter O, O is for octopus, Sound of letter P, P is for pencil, Sound of letter Q, qua. Q is for queen. Sound of letter R, R is for rainbow. Sound of letter S, S is for snake. Sound of letter T, T is for tiger. Sound of letter U, U is for up. Sound of letter V, V is for van. Sound of letter W, W is for white. Sound of letter X, X is for fox. 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 Sound of letter Y. 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 Y is for yellow. 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 Sound of letter Z. 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 Z is for zebra. Zebra. Zebra.
Guys, this is the end of our session today. Hope you enjoyed. Keep practicing at home. See you next time. Bye bye.